The Ecolution patented Micropop microwave popcorn popper is a kitchen appliance designed for popping popcorn in the microwave using hot air, without the need for oil. It features temperature-safe borosilicate glass that can withstand high temperatures, a lid with a built-in measuring cup for precise popcorn portioning, and a comfortable handle for easy and safe handling. The popper is designed to make up to 3 quarts of popcorn in under 3 minutes, depending on the wattage of your microwave. It is also dishwasher safe, making cleanup easy and convenient. The Ecolution patented Micropop microwave popcorn popper is a healthier and more eco-friendly alternative to traditional popcorn makers that use oil and electricity. The Ecolution patented Micropop microwave popcorn popper is a kitchen gadget designed to make popping popcorn in the microwave fast, easy, and eco-friendly. It is made of temperature-safe borosilicate glass and comes in a compact size that makes it easy to store in a kitchen cabinet or drawer. One of the main advantages of the Ecolution popcorn popper is that it eliminates the need for oil or butter, making it a healthier option than traditional stovetop or microwave popcorn. It also allows you to control the amount of salt or other flavorings you add to your popcorn, giving you more flexibility to customize your snack. To use the Ecolution popcorn popper, you simply add the popcorn kernels to the base of the container, put on the lid, and place it in the microwave for a few minutes. The lid features a vent that allows steam to escape, preventing the popcorn from getting soggy or burnt. The container is also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Fast gourmet popcorn, choose beautiful, durable temperature-safe borosilicate glass for better popcorn popping experiences. No oil or butter needed. Hot air circulates, preventing burning. Melt butter with the dual-function lid for gourmet results. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. A fun gift idea. Preparing and sharing, great for a healthy snack, movie night, the big game, or recipes, including popcorn. Simply use the dual-function lid to measure the desired serving size. Pour into the Micropop and place in the microwave for 3 minutes or less. Hundreds of fun and healthy snack recipe possibilities for your popcorn enjoyment. Money well spent. Make homemade popcorn as an alternative to buying expensive single-use pre-packaged bags containing unwanted chemicals, ingredients, and calories. Why glass is better? Watch your popcorn popping for perfect results. Temperature-safe glass resists wear and tear and will not absorb acids or chemicals typically produced during use. Glass is made without BPA, hypoallergenic, and thermal shock resistant. Wide mouth design and ergonomic handle add versatility and ease of use. Use and care, for use with microwaves with turntables only. Only use popcorn popper in a clean, fully functioning microwave oven with an unrestricted, rotating turntable. Do not use the popcorn button or setting on your microwave. Make sure to use fresh popcorn kernels. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please click the subscribe button, bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the products. Links.